Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are ever struggle with hand drawing, trust me, you are not alone. Hands are one of the most difficult part of the human body to sketch. But today I am going to make it super simple for you. In this video, I'll show you how to draw hands step by step using a very easy method. I've divided everything into simple stages, and if you follow them in order, you'll see a huge improvement in your sketches. So grab your sketchbook, your pencil, and let's get started. Alright, so step number one is the most important foundation. Instead of starting with fingers, what most beginners do wrong, we start with a simple box shape. Think of the hand as a 3D block, not a complicated structure. Uh, Draw tilted rectangle or box. Don't worry about perfection. This represents the palm. Now notice something, the hand is not flat, it has depth. So slightly angle your box to give it a 3D feel. Keep your lines light. This is just construction. Now in your sheet you can see different box angles. Practice drawing them in different direction, because once you master this, drawing hands from any angle becomes easy. Now, moving to step 2, here we simplify the hand into basic shape. Instead of drawing realistic fingers, we draw a circle or oval for a palm, small blocks shape for fingers. Think of it like a cartoon hand structure. This step is very important because it helps you understand proportions. Now look at your fingers. Middle fingers is longest. Alright. Index and ring are slightly shorter. Pinky is the smallest. Also fingers are not straight sticks. They have thickness and direction. Practice drawing one palm, close fist, different fingers positions. Don't rush this step. Spend time here. now move on. And this is the very many people struggle the thumb and the fingers. The thumb is not in the same direction as fingers. It comes out an angle. So instead of drawing it straight, start with a small shape at the side of the palm, then extend it outward. Think of the thumb as a separate mini structure attached to the hand. Also remember, thumb has only two main section. It bends directly differently than fingers. Practice drawing thumb front side curve positions. Once you understand the thumb, your hands will instantly look more realistic. Now move on. This is where things get excited. We take the basic structure and turn it into real hand poses. In your sheet, you can see pointing hand, holding hand, gestures, pose. In my sheet, you can see that pointing hand, holding hand, gesture poses. Now, here's the key. Always start with the box, step 1, then add fingers direction, step 2, and then refine shapes. Let's take an example. Pointing finger, draw the palm box, extend one finger to forward, curl the rest. Simple, right? Now, another example, holding something palm, curved inward, fingers wrapping around. Now, the important tip, please note down, fingers are not straight, they curve naturally. Also, focus on overlapping shapes, perspective. This gives you drawing depth. Practice different gestures. and thumbs up and peace sign, grabbing pose. This step is all about observation and repetition. Now the final step. Here we add line confidence, small details, clean fish finishing, go over your sketch, darken important lines, remove extra guidelines, add slightly details like knuckles, fingers, joints, nail hints. Don't overdo. Keep it simple, clean, not messy details. Also, also focus on line weight, thicker plus thinner lines. This is what makes your sketch look professional. So yeah guys, this the complete method to draw hands step by step. Let's quickly recap. Start with the box, simplify the structure, understand the thumb, practice real poses, add clean details. If you follow this process consistently, I promise your hand drawing will improve a lot. Don't forget, practice daily, don't rush, enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. And comment below what do you want to learn next. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep sketching. Bye bye.